It's real. Mother! Oh my god. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my June BoxyCharm unboxing. And I filmed it last month. I got my May BoxyCharm and I sat down, filmed it, opened it, everything, loved it. And I go to upload the footage to my computer to start editing. And my 750 gigabyte computer is completely full. So I'm dealing with that. So that is why I haven't had a video in quite a minute, because I had to get an external hard drive to deal with that. So I can only like free up a little bit of space at a time, because I really have to go through and kind of see what I can actually delete that I don't care about. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to go get a external hard drive and dump everything onto it and start with a clean slate. So I just haven't got around to getting an external hard drive yet. So hopefully I can free up enough space to edit this video and get it up rather quickly. Today is the 11th, so hopefully within a few days it will be up. So anyways, let's just go ahead and jump right in and see what I got in this month's box. So I'm just going to open it. And I don't want to look at the card yet. We'll save the card. This is the first thing in here, so we're just gonna pick this up. And this is looks like a 3-piece brush set. And this is by Luxy Beauty. Yeah. And it's in like a little Ziploc pouch. Cute. While I struggle with this, 1 minute. Oh my gosh. Is that what I think it is? Yes, it is. I'm about to be real excited, so excuse me. Mine are a little messed up, but they're a little frayed, just because of how they were packaged. But this one I'm super excited about. This is a duo fiber brush, and I was literally today going through all of my brushes and was like, why I don't have a duo fiber brush? And I really wanted one for like, I really wanted a duo fiber brush for like my bronzer or my contour. I am legit way excited about this. And these other ones, let's see, this is a tapered highlight brush. I feel like that is too dense for a cheek highlight, but for like highlighting under the eyes, that would be good. And then what is this last one? A precision foundation brush. Meh. I don't use foundation brushes, and this is honestly, it's too flimsy for me if I were to use one. But other than that, these other two I will probably get some use out of. And I always love when they include brushes, just because I don't buy brushes that often. I have a lot, but I don't buy more. So anyways, I think that's cool that they included that. This is a 3-piece brush set, and this retails for $42. $42? I'm gonna tell you right now, these are not worth $42. That's a little absurd to me, especially because they're like, I mean, they're really soft, but they're also really flimsy. So, yeah, I don't see how these are worth $42, but I didn't pay $42 for them, so I don't care. So next in the box, let's see, we have this right here. I'm about to drop stuff everywhere. Oh, okay, so these are 3D silk lashes, and that's what they look like. You know, I don't wear false lashes. I tried to one time and I almost blinded myself, so if I get a wild hair and want to try these, like, without being serious, like before I take my makeup off at night, I might try that. But I don't wear these on a regular basis. I don't even wear these on like special occasions, but maybe I will since I have a pair. But and these look really pretty, so I don't know, maybe I'll give them a shot. But this is obviously this is full size, it's a regular size product, and these retail for $28. Okay, maybe that's why I don't do lashes, because I'm not paying $28 for a pair of lashes. But I know that's more expensive for lashes. I know you can get them for cheaper, but I wish I wore lashes on like a regular basis, but regardless, this is pretty good. Next in here, I got this, which is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And I saw this in the spoiler and I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. So I'm kind of disappointed that it's only this big. Oh my God, that smells heavenly. That smells like I'm sitting on a beach. Anyways, so this is just like a body cream, and it's supposed to be smoothing, like anti-cellulite kind of thing, but this jar is so tiny, I doubt I would ever see any results from using it, but I am excited to use it just because it smells amazing, so that's cool, but this is a deluxe size, I believe. Yeah, because this isn't a full-size product. So this is $10. Next in here, I've got this, which is a waterproof eyeliner pencil, which is by the brand Jante Bleu. Oh my gosh, I am the worst. I mean, it is pretty pigmented. And it is a wooden pencil. I don't really like to use wooden pencils, especially in my waterline, because they're usually really rough. But this is brown, and it says it's waterproof, so I don't know about that. This is full size, obviously, and this retails for $5. Next! Oh my god. Oh, excuse me. I am so excited about this. This is an Ofra liquid lipstick, and this retails for 21 doll hairs, and this is in the shade Verona. And I'm praying that this is gonna be the shade for me, because I've been looking for a nude shade. I finally found one that I really love. Actually, I found two that I really love. And I've just been all about finding a nude lipstick. I don't know why, just because I want something for every day. I feel like I'm talking so fast right now. Can I take a chill pill? Okay, great. I've been looking for the best nude for my skin tone, and I wear nude lipsticks. It makes my lips look all birdie, like really small, and I don't know if I like that, but I love the color of nude lips. So anyways, and I don't like them when they're super nude, like zombie dead lips, but I also don't like them too brown. It's hard to please me with a nude lip, and I'm hoping that this one isn't too brown. If it is, I don't care. I will still wear it. All right, I'm just gonna take my lipstick off, and we're gonna try this right now. Dang it. It's really, really brown. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Especially because I have a zit like right on the edge of my lip, and it looks like I missed the line, and I definitely didn't. I feel like it's growing on me, but I definitely do feel like it's a little dark, like darker than I would want for a nude, but I will definitely wear it again just because I like how it feels so far. It is a liquid lipstick, so I'm not sure how it's going to wear, if it's going to be too drying or anything like that, because I haven't used an Ofra liquid lipstick before, but I am excited to see how it turns out. Because I have been wanting to try them for a long time. I just couldn't bite the bullet and actually look for a color. After knowing if I like the formula or not, I will probably be more likely to actually go and buy one. Lastly, in this box, we have this palette, and I'm so excited about this. I saw this also on the spoilers for this month. This is from Alamar Cosmetics, and this is the Reina del Caribe. I just butchered the absolute piss out of that. I'm so sorry. So I first heard of this from Kathleen Lice, and she is literally my favorite YouTuber ever. I love her. So anything that she ever recommends, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get that. So anyways, this is her best friend's makeup brand that she came out with. The girl who created this palette also does all of the makeup for Kathleen's nail polish brand, for all the photo shoots and stuff. And I know what the inside looks like, and I'm so excited to see for myself and actually swatch them. So this is obviously a full-size palette. This is what you would, if you bought it yourself, this is what you would get. And this retails for $28, and oh my god. And this is what the inside looks like. I don't know why. I honestly don't know why. I've been so into blue eyeshadow lately. Not that I've even put it on my eyelid, but swatching it like gives me just I don't even know what it gives me, but it just gives me life. I love swatching blue eyeshadows because it makes me want to put it on my lid, even though I'm so terrified of color. So I've been dabbling a little bit in the colorful world, but really only when I come home, because I'm not comfortable enough to wear it out yet. So I'll come home and then I'll put like crazy colors on my eye just to play around with them, and then I'll go wash it all off, just because I'm not there yet to wear it out in public, but this definitely makes me want to. I am super excited to play with this. I'm probably going to play with it like right now, because I purposefully didn't put any eyeshadow on my eyelids today because I knew my BoxyCharm was coming in, and I knew that I was going to want to play with this palette. So I will insert swatches and everything of what this palette looks like. You just seriously can't see how pretty that this shade is right here. And this is actually green, and it's not picking it up. But these two are beautiful. This is the only one that gave me trouble swatching, and I think it's just because it's like so close to my skin tone. But these mattes look gorgeous swatched, and I transferred some here. Anyways, that is it for this month's box. Let me add up the value for this month, because this is my favorite part. This is how I justify it to Zach, because he just doesn't understand. And I told him, he said, will you pay $20 a month for this box? I'm like, well, yeah. And every month that it comes in, I'm like, you want to know how much it was worth this month? Because I'm going to tell you anyways. So the total value of this month's box is $134. I will say it again, that is amazing. And I love BoxyCharm. I really do. And if you don't have it, I'm pretty sure that the wait list was lifted again or still continued. So you can get the box, if you wanted this month's box, you can go ahead and like sign up and you'll get this month's box. So it's not like you sign up this month and then you'll start receiving them next month. You can actually get this specific box if this is the one that you wanted. And you can only do it for 1 month. Like if you didn't want to subscribe monthly, you can just do 1 month box like here and there. But if the wait list is back, you won't be able to do that. So anyways, I think that BoxyCharm is totally worth it, and I'm super excited to play with all of this stuff. And I'm gonna try and do like an update of everything in here and what I think, if it, you know, if it was worth it. I'm gonna try these lashes out. But oh wait, it didn't come with lash glue. I don't own lash glue because I don't wear lashes, so I guess I'll have to get that. But I do want to try those. I want to wear them, but it's just a level of extra that I don't want to do. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm, because I know that sometimes there's some differences and I would love to know. Maybe there's another color. I feel like this one's growing on me. I feel like it is. Maybe I need to be a little bit more tan though to really appreciate it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and always remember to stay trendy. Oh God. Oh. It's real. Mother! Oh my God.
Mother! Oh my God.
Hey buddy. Hi. Hi. Oh, no. Yes. So I had to go for the hat today because these roots are real and this hair is greasy. But I'm getting my hair done this weekend, so finally. These roots need some attention though. I would probably, oh my God. I burnt my hair on a candle last week. Literally shriveled up like 3 inches of my hair. And I had to chop it off, so it's like so much shorter than the rest of my hair. At least my entire head of hair did not go up in flames, so let's be thankful for that. Don't judge my scratch table.